Andrew's good. If you don't have to use your wild card, just save them till when you can't play. When you can't play a card.
What are those, Ethan?
I can always do that.
Daddy's what?
Daddy.
What are those?
Daddy. Why do you guys
What are these called?
Mommy.
Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy's boots?
Daddy.
Yeah. Where's Andrew?
This.
Where's Mommy?
You mommy.
Where's Ethan?
This.
Yeah. Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah. Do you have the hiccups?
I guess.
Where's your nose? Where's the camera? Where's the camper? Are we in the camper? Yeah. Where's your brother? What's his name? Oh, that's you. No, what's your brother's name? Hiccup. Hiccup. Where's Mommy?
It's your turn. Mommy.
Where's Ethan? Where's Daddy? Where's Andrew? Do you want to go outside? Yeah. Do you want to be a trash collector when you grow up?
No.
Do you want to be a doctor when you grow up?
No.
How about a lawyer?
No.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
No.
You want to do anything when you grow up?
No.
Do you want to be a little kid your whole life?
No.
Do you want to be a big kid your whole life?
No. Do you want to be a grandpa your whole life? No. Do you want to be dead your whole life? No.
Do you want to be a chef when you grow up?
No.
Do you want to make toys when you grow up?
No. Double no.
A double no.
You get to play with them when you make them. No. Yeah. Daddy.
Daddy? What's Daddy doing?
It's your turn, Mom. It's your turn.
Okay. Your turn, Daddy.